Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the iPhone 6 is backed up and on a stable iOS. This prevents data loss during battery work. Next, check settings battery to read the maximum capacity percentage and any performance messages so you know the baseline. While you prepare tools, Pentalobe and Phillips drivers, spudger, suction, visually inspect the battery for swelling or connector corrosion. If you see deformation, stop and plan for replacement rather than reconditioning. Once done with prep, perform a controlled charge cycle. Charge fully to 100%, then run the phone down to 0% to recalibrate battery reporting. This corrects software state of charge estimation. Make sure to use a known good, calibrated charger and original lightning cable. Inconsistent charging skews readings. If symptoms persist, do a hard restart and run iOS battery diagnostics or a restore from backup to refresh system battery statistics, because many perceived health issues are software-related. If after diagnostics capacity remains low, especially under 80%, or the cell is swollen, replace the battery with an OEM equivalent unit and follow proper ESD-safe procedures. Once installed, verify the new percentage and run several full charge/discharge cycles to let the system learn the battery. Also monitor operating temperature to ensure normal behavior. If the phone fails to boot or shows erratic metrics, double-check connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.